So good day, everyone. This is Samuel Rende. So I just funded my Facebook ads account now with 10,000 naira. Okay. So I just want to do a quick setup of for every creator. So if you are a content creator, so you can follow this. If you want to give visibility, you want to give your content visibility. You don't boost post. You set up and act like this. So this one will be beginner friendly. So you'll be able to understand how you also can. I will also show you how you can fund your wallet and how you can set up a quick setup as a beginner for your ads. Okay, for your ads, for your content. Okay, let's go to our meta ads now. So and let me show you. So this is the meta ads. So I told you guys to download it, as you can see now. So the money now, so they remove the VAT, as you can see here, 9,300 naira. So they remove the VAT, almost 700 naira. So the remaining 9,300 naira left in the. And so if you want to fund your wallet, so just come to the settings here, this settings icon here. So you click on it. As you see, I have different ads account. So and this one I'm the one I'm using. So just click on the ads and bill payment, and as you can see now, so now you see available funds. As you can see here, this is the amount I funded. So add funds. If you want to add funds, you click on add funds. So let me click on add funds. Now, as you can see now, due to if it is your, you might see 4,500 naira, you might see maybe 1,000 something. You might see, so it depends on how much you want to fund. But if it is a new account, just start with 5,000 naira first, or 4,500 first. Okay, start with 4,500 or 5,000 naira first. Okay, so they will also increase it subsequently. Okay, so now let's click on it, and maybe you want to fund your wallet now, so you just cancel this, and if you just type 4,500 naira, or you type 5,000 naira. Okay, so type 5,000 naira. So as you click on it, so make sure also take note of this. You should use pay by bank transfer. Are you getting me? Use pay by bank transfer. So as you do that, just click on next. You take it to a website. Let me just click on it. Take it to a website that will copy the account number, and you will see the bank name there. So after that, it will redirect you to, so you copy the account number and go to OPay or your bank app, and go and fund the account. Are you getting me now? So I will not be doing that here. So I will need to go back, and I should wait. Let me wait then. So you can see. So this is it. As you can see now, Facebook this is the amount, and this is the bank name, and this is the beneficiary. Okay, so just click here and copy the account. So it give you 2 minutes. So if you exhaust these 2 minutes, this account will be of no use again for you. Okay, so you need to generate another one. So let's go back to the bank app, to the meta ads app. So now I think, let me check the time. Okay, okay, let me now show you how you can set up your ad. So now, so you come to this option here. As you can see here, if you click this option here, plus icon, okay, click on. So as you can see my own here, if this is the content now. As you can see, they are charging me 1,000. Oh no, not even up to 2 naira for a true play. And you can see here, for a true play. So just click on this plus icon here, and as you can see here, you see you see engagement, awareness, traffic. I've already explained this in the class already. So all this is, I've already explained this. So now I want to choose our objective. So I choose engagement, and I always go for manual engagement campaign. So let me click on manual engagement campaign, and let's wait for it. So now that's open. So now I already explained this also. The ad set, the campaign. These are the structure. These are the ad structure that you must follow, that you must learn, and I've already explained it in the class already. So go back to the class and go and check it out. And because I've already explained the campaign, the ad set, and the ad creative. So let me I'm just doing this as a practical, so you can understand on how you can also set it up. Okay, not I've just be teaching you theory in the free class in the group, and you not understand how it works in practical. So now this is the campaign. Now let me say this is the campaign details. Okay, this is the objective I choose, as you can see here. So now you can choose any name, you can choose anything. Depends on, maybe I just say, okay, I just want to run as, let me say, maybe I just want to do some, let me choose Psalm 72, and let me say now to do Psalm 72 now, and let me say, okay, I just use that one as my, as you can see here. So special category, budget. Let me say my budget. You can use 3,000, you can use 4,000, and you can also use 2,000. So you can understand. So, but your daily budget must exceed $1, equivalent to $1. Let me just say 2,000 first. So let me say this one, leave it as highest, leave it as the highest volume. Okay, leave this one as the highest volume. So now let me go back to cancel. And now, so we go back to ad set. Now we go to into next is ad set. You can click here and you can click here. Let me click here, and this is the you can your ad set name. Maybe you want to let me say Psalm 72. Let me say let's maybe put the same thing, Psalm 72, and let me continue. Let me go back again, and conversion. What do I want to choose? I want to choose video views. I just want people to view my videos on my ad, so I choose that. So this page I want to use. So this is the page I want to use. It's one of the most high page. So now the engagement type, I just choose video views and video views. And if I just want people to like the page, I can also, if you want people to like your page, you want people to run followers ads, you want people to follow your page, so you use this one. As you can see, Facebook page, so you can click on it also, and people will start, once people see your post, they will start following you. Okay, so let me use video views. So, or let me also choose followers. Let me just want people to follow. And okay, I just want, okay, ongoing. Now the audience. So yeah, I want to include, I don't want people from, let me just leave it, I think I should leave it, but I will prefer 20 years upward. So let me just use 20 years. Let me use 20 years upward, and let me choose 60. Let me choose 60. Let me choose 60. So 60 years. And gender, both men and women. So I don't want to change. If you what you want to sell, if it is to women, you choose women only, you can choose men, and you can choose both. So now all languages, yes, I want all languages, and you can also add, okay, let me say maybe I want to exclude, let me say English. I can also use English UK. These are, I don't want to make this ad complex, but I'm just trying to show you some little things that you might need to know. So this is my audience size, 35 million to 42 million. So you may understand this. These are the people that if I have money now, I can target all these 42. So I have 40. So if I want to reach out to 35 million people, it depends on my budget now. So I can reach out to 35 to 42 million people. Okay, so but don't let me. So as a beginner, just follow this step and do what I'm doing here. So I've set up my ad set here, my settings here. So now the placement, where did I want my ads to be shown? So now let me do the manual settings. I don't want Facebook settings, so I just want to remove some things. I don't want people on desktop to see my ads. I just want people only from mobile phone to see what I'm doing. So audience network here. Did I want everyone? Let me say now I want only people from Facebook and Instagram only. So let me just say Facebook and Instagram only, and let me come back here, Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds. So let me just cancel this. Let me also video feeds. So Instagram Explorer, let me remove it. Profile feeds, I don't want. Stories, I don't want. Instagram stories, I don't want. Instagram reels, let me leave it. Let me also Facebook reels. Let us leave it there. Instagram reels, no. Search results, let me remove this also. So now I go back here and I go to, as a beginner, you might say, okay, if you want to do that, you can follow the same setup, and you can also leave the placement as it is. Okay, so these are the ads name. So now here I can still say Psalm 72. Now let me go back, and this is the ad creative. This is where you need to show people. This is what Facebook will show my audience. Okay, this is what Facebook will show my audience. So this is what I explained here. I've already explained everything. Image or video, you can, and add media. What did I want to add? Which video? So I go to my page videos. These are the page videos, and let me just find the Psalm 72 here. So let me find Psalm 72 here. Sorry, I'm coming. Let me just look for Psalm 72 here. Psalm 72 here. So you guys can see, and you too can do the same thing. I believe everyone will understand this perfectly. And wherever you are watching this video, if I post it on YouTube, if you find this video valuable, make sure you like the video also and share to others. Okay, so, or Facebook, anywhere you find this video, just make sure you like it. Okay, so I'm looking for the video. Because I don't want to, I should just pick anyone. I believe I should just pick anyone here, because I've not been able to see the video here. But I think think I should just choose anyone. So I should just choose anyone. Let me just choose this one. Let me just choose this one and let us done. This is Psalm 139 and let us continue. Like, just share headline and Psalm 72 Psalm 136. Say this Psalm 136 daily. Like and share. Let's say like and share. Like and share. Share. Okay, like, share, and follow. Follow for more videos. I'm just trying. I've already explained this. I'm just doing the practical, so just go back. If you don't understand it, go and check the group, and you'll be able to understand this video perfectly. Okay, so send the message. I don't need to send the message. You don't need to send the message. I don't need to send the message here. So I don't need any call to action here. So I believe you'll be able to understand this. So now let's preview our ads. Let's see how our ads will look like on feeds, on mobile feeds, on feeds. So we are waiting for the preview. So let's wait for the preview. So as you can see now, this is how it will show. Say this Psalm 136 daily. As you can see now. So, okay, sorry, Psalm 139 daily. So now I believe we have seen it like this. So we like what we see. And now we want to click on review. So after that, you click on, you can see review here. So you click on review, and so these are the settings. You can still do your corrections here. If you see like I just want to change some things here, you can still do your correction before you publish it. After you publish it, you can make any correction again. Okay, and the ads will be published, and they will review it before they publish your videos. So that is it, and I believe you understand this perfectly. Okay, so if you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section or ask me in the group. I've already shown you guys. So this is the group. Let me even check the group because I posted the group. I'm seeing some people are joining already. I can't answer all your questions in my DM. Okay, so this is the group. Now I've posted the group link also. Okay, the group link, so you can ask your questions here, or if you find this video on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, please just drop your question in the comment section. So these are the class already. So if you're in the group, make sure you join, and so make sure you follow the tutorial. Okay, make sure you follow all the tutorial. Play all the voice notes also. Okay, play all the voice notes. Okay, so thank you and see you the other time. God bless you.